Hi friends, I'm Karthik, a trader in stock market. In this video we are going to see Nifty option chain analysis for 24th June 2021. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and never miss any update. There is the small disclaimer. So this is the weekly expiry option chain which I have taken. The weekly expiry date is 24th June 2021. Okay, and the Nifty closed at 15,686.95 as on 23rd June 2021. Okay, based on this we will be predicting the market for 24th June 2021. Okay, that is tomorrow. Okay, and also note down that tomorrow is weekly expiry. Okay, so this is the week option chain data which I have taken. Okay, on the left hand side I have calls data. Okay, first we have open interest, change in open interest, volume, IV, LTP and change. Okay, the strike price which I have taken is from 15,000. Okay, so calls always represents resistance. Okay, on the right hand side I have taken puts data. The first is open interest, change in open interest, volume, IV, LTP and change. Okay, and put always represents support. Okay, so first we are going to see towards call side, that is resistance for tomorrow's market. Okay, since the Nifty closed at 15,686, the range where it closed it comes between 15,650 to 15,700. Okay, this is the range where Nifty closed. Okay, based on this range, the first resistance comes at 15,700, the immediate resistance. Okay, and here we have open interest of 52,322 and change in open interest of 22,640. Okay, and volumes we have around 7,99,078. Okay, this is the first resistance. Okay, second resistance we have at 15,800. Okay, this will be our second resistance. The open interest is 1,09,410 and change in open interest is 40,500 and volumes 18,28,768. Okay, so comparatively to other resistance, this strike price has more volumes, more open interest and more change in open interest. Okay, then the third resistance comes at 15,900 and the open interest here you can see is 81,205 and change in open interest is 10,276. Okay, and volumes you have is 12,89,596. Okay, this will be our third resistance. So the fourth resistance is towards 16,000 and fifth resistance is towards 16,200. Okay, this two resistance we are ignoring for tomorrow's market because it is too far from the current price. Okay, then when it comes to support side, okay, the first support is at 15,600. okay, this will be our first support and the open interest is 62,872, change in open interest is 19,188 and volumes you have is 8,81,530. okay, this is our first support at 15,600. then when it comes to second support we have at 15,500. okay, here the change in open interest is 71,470 and change in open interest is 16,075 and volumes you have around 6,02,292. okay, in this strike price you have huge open interest of 71,000. okay, then the third support it comes around at 15,400. okay, this will be our third support and you can see that open interest is around 42,997 and change in open interest is in negative, that is 157 negative, and volumes you have around 3,70,550. okay, and you have fourth and fifth support at 15,300 and 15,000, but I will be ignoring this two support because I don't feel that market will go down nearly 300 points tomorrow. Okay, this two supports we are going to ignore. Okay, then the market trend for tomorrow, that is in which direction the market might go tomorrow, whether upwards or downwards. For that, first we will see the resistance side. In the resistance side we have 15,800, where you can see you have a huge volumes, huge open interest and huge change in open interest. Okay, this will be the resistance for tomorrow's market. Okay, and support side you have huge support at 15,700. okay, that is you have almost 14,91,000 contract and 40,000 change open interest. Okay, that means if the market opens above 15,700 tomorrow, you can expect that market going towards 15,800. okay, that means around 50 to 80 points movement you can see. But in case if the market opens at the same level, that is 15,680, or if it opens below 15,680, then you can see that market going towards 15,600. okay, because you have a huge open interest at 15,600. okay, so it all depends on tomorrow's open price. okay, but you can't say that market will go either in green or red. It all purely depends on which at what price it opens. And another thing is, tomorrow is a weekly expiry. okay, that is Thursday. okay, on Thursdays the market will be highly volatile and anything can happen. In the first half the market might be in positive, and in the second half the market might change to red. okay, so these things will happen in weekly expiry, so be cautious. And the PCR ratio, okay, the PCR ratio also suggests that tomorrow the market might be in negative, because the PCR is less than 1, that is it is 0.82. okay, when it is less than 1 it is bearish, and when it is more than 1 it is bullish. So PCR also suggests that it will be bearish tomorrow. okay, so stock market is always driven by news, so be focused on immediate that is latest news whatever you received while trading. okay, and please do your own research before investing in stock market. okay, the suggestions or recommendations whatever I do in this video is only for educational purpose. okay, that's all.